What is going on, y'all? Welcome to day 4 of the vlog. This is the first clip today. Just to bring you up to speed, I went to Ozark Iron. I trained legs today. I did posterior chain. We did reverse hypers. Then we did walking lunges, hip thrusters. We went up to 5 plates on hip thrusters, so that was pretty brutal. And then we did a superset of basically quad extensions, hamstring curls, and then I also threw in some single leg dumbbell RDLs. So that was good. And that concluded the posterior chain leg day. And now, actually then after that I went and got a haircut. Check out the new haircut. Looks way, way better. Do not like much hair on the sides in the summertime. Starts tickling my ears. Makes me mad. About to eat lunch right now. I'm going with the same thing I've had these past few days because this is the last time I have leftovers for it. But basically the 14 ounces of chicken breast with 2 ounces of cream cheese, and I ate a brick on the way back from getting my haircut, so I'm currently over 1,000 calories, about to crash that chicken right now, and that will be meal 1.
Alrighty, you guys, we have Robert and Rigel over here. Cuties. Oh, you want to say hi?
What's up? We got our gangster outfit going.
It's a little bright. We do. It's a little bit big. It's such a cute stinking outfit, but it's a little bit big right now. But Robert is insistent on putting him in clothes that are way too big for him. So we are on our way to the vet's office because this guy, I don't know if you guys can see it because the lighting's kind of weird, but he's got a super swollen face over here.
Can you see it?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. Anyways, he's got a super swollen face, so we are going to the vet to figure out what is going on with that. We have no idea what's going on with it, poor Jack, but we're all headed out that way now because a breastfeeding baby and a dog that's falling apart was a little bit too much for me, so Robert came home early to help me out with this. So here we go. Alright guys, we just made it back from the vet. We are still not 100% sure what's going on with Jack, but we got some antibiotics for him. He's going to start taking those tonight, and then they think that it might be an abscessed tooth, so they're also doing some labs to see if he is okay enough to go under the knife, essentially, so that we can do some dental work next week. So this has been an expensive day for sure. Probably more expensive next week. And yeah, Jack's a silly goose. So anywho, I'm over here making Robert some dinner. I'll show you guys what we have so far. So right here I just have 1 pack of the 4505 pork rinds with 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put some of this on the side. Robert can have that on there if he wants or not. And then over here, I actually have a mixture of, there's ground beef, heart, liver, and kidney in here. And I seasoned it with paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, and chili powder. So we're going to be making him some pork rind nachos. This is 1 pound. And then I'll also add on some shredded cheddar cheese on his nachos as well. So that's what we have going on for dinner, and I'm sure he will go over his macros in just a few minutes.
What is going on, y'all? Crystal hooked me up with this big old bowl of nachos. I'm not sure what else she said, but we got the pork rinds on there. We got a pound of, it's an organ meat blend, so there's beef, just ground beef, there's kidney, there's liver, there's heart. The package didn't have macros on it, and I couldn't find it on their website. It's from US Wellness Meats, but the fat ratio looked to be about an 80-20, so I factored in a pound of 80-20 for the macros. We got cheddar cheese on there, mozzarella cheese on there. I'm about to put some salsa and hot sauce on there as well. By the way, this hot sauce is pretty good. If y'all see this anywhere, check it out. It's got bell peppers, onions, habaneros, avocado oil, sea salt, garlic, and lime juice. Which means my macros for the day are 4,167.8 calories, 296.3 grams of fat, 23 grams of total carbs, and 299 grams of protein, which yields a 67.4% fat ratio on the calories from dietary fat. So that's what I got. Had the same lunch as before with that chicken and cream cheese. Obviously heavy cream in my coffee, and then only one brick today because this is a pretty high calorie meal. This meal right here is 1,800 calories, so pretty hefty meal. Gonna eat this, and then we're gonna give little old Rigel his first legit bath, like not sponge bath, but like real bath. Is that right? That's the plan? That's the plan. So, I'm gonna dive in, and I'll holla at y'all in a bit.